Hello Chutties, welcome to Chutti Kids. Today we are going to learn alphabet letters. A. A for ant. A. A for ant. B. B for banana. B. B for banana. C. C for cat. C. C for cat. D. D for deer. D. D for deer. E. E for elephant. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. G. G for goat. H. H for hen. H. H for hen. I. I for ice. I. I for ice. J. J for jellyfish. J. J for jellyfish. K. K for kite. K. K for kite. L. L for lamp. L. L for lamp. M. M for mango. M. M for mango. N. N for nest. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sheep. S. S for sheep. T. T for tiger. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U. U for umbrella. V. V for vase. V. V for vase. W. W for watch. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Z. Z for zebra. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel Chutti Kids.